The Electrolux dryer error code EA5 indicates a problem with the main control, and its causes include power fluctuation, a malfunctioned control board, or faulty wiring. To address this issue, it's essential to consider the potential causes and apply the most effective solutions. Power fluctuation, for instance, can lead to a short circuit and significant damage to the dryer. To fix this, unplug the dryer and test the voltage supply. Adjust it if necessary, and consider using a voltage regulator to protect the appliance from power surges. Never connect it to an extension cord. Another step is to inspect the control board by unplugging the dryer, removing the top panel, and testing the board for continuity, as well as inspecting it for damage, and replacing it with a new one if faulty. Additionally, inspect the wiring connection by unplugging the dryer, removing the top and back panels, and checking for loose, frayed, burnt, or worn-out wires, replacing damaged ones with new ones, and then reassembling the dryer and powering it back up. If the machine still doesn't work, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.